500 pesos ay hindi kasya sa Noche Buena. Hi, this is your good tita, Rosa, at welcome sa Anik Anik Podcast. This will be the final episode of the year. I'm filming this again a few days after Christmas. I had to refilm kasi wala daw audio yung una. So, isa sa mga promise ko sa sarili ko, I will be more consistent for the next year. Ang ano lang naman ito, this is just like, a catch-up episode. Catch-up episode. Wow! Ano lang siya, just for me to tell you na ang 500 pesos ay hindi kasya sa Noche Buena. Anyways, kahit na nagsa-celebrate tayo ng festivities right now, wag pa rin natin kalimutan yung mga dapat managot sa mga anomalya sa gobyerno. Opo, everything is political. Also, ano lang din, this is just like a video reminder for me that in the next year, I will try my best to make myself better. Not just physically, not just emotionally, but, I wanted to become a good person in general. Hindi yung goody two shoes ha, I just want to become a better person. I just want to become a better friend. Kasi I want to receive God's grace so that I could also help in blessing other people. Wow, this is getting so religious. What the heck? Sorry. But yeah, I just want to become a better person in general. Ayoko nang maging makasarili. Though there are times that being makasarili is protecting your peace. Being makasarili sometimes is good for you. Yun lang. Anyways, I wanted to be more sustainable when it comes to my purchases. Also, to support makeup brands. Because I do love makeup. I am a makeup junkie myself. Kahit na nakikita nyo ako ngayon, parang always naman, in each episode, wala akong makeup. But I do put on makeup a lot. I will not purchase from brands that are not sustainable. I will not be purchasing from brands that trick their customers. Especially yung mga brands na hindi sila nagdi-disclose ng mga if this is cruelty-free or not, ganyan. I will not be supporting those brands anymore. And also, siguro, will limit my gastos. Kasi, I'm looking forward to seeing TXT this March. So, gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo kasi syempre baka makalimutan ko to. Syempre, I'm gonna go back to this video and rewatch it to see ano ba yung mga gusto ko. Siguro isa din is yung pagiging consistent ko while doing this thing. Gusto ko lang din naman na may gawin. Aside from, gusto ko lang ng kadaldalan kahit wala naman talaga akong kumakausap sa akin. But yeah, I am very much awkward in front of the camera. As you can see, hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. And siguro, since I wanted to do this for quite a long time, I will be investing in equipments. I'm saying this right now. Also, isa din sa mga bala ko this year ay ituloy na yung mga drawing na lakad. Kasi I've been stalling because short kwento guys. A few years ago, I was like in my early 20s. I went to my hometown in Mindanao, to Davao, and then I don't know what happened. Na-cancel yung flight ko. And I had to stay at the hotel for 2 more days. And naubusan ako ng pera at that time. Then I came back to Manila with only 50 pesos in my wallet. So like, ay grabe talaga. I don't want that to happen again. Siguro because of the trauma of that experience, it was hard for me to travel again. Nag-stick talaga siya sa akin na I don't want to travel pag wala akong pera. So, yeah. Also, I wanted to travel alone. Haven't experienced that yet. After that incident, aside sa yung mga malalapit lang like Tagaytay, Baguio, La Union, something like that. Parang I wanted to go somewhere farther on my own. Also, I want to get more tattoos. I had tattoos just late November, pero like right now, I wanted to add more. Sabi nga nila, totoo pala yun, that they say na if you have a tattoo, that's not the last time you're gonna have one. I think yun lang. So kayo guys, what are your plans? What do you want to do for the next year? Sana lahat na dreams, aspirations, New Year's resolutions natin ay matupad. And I really rooting for everyone of you guys who's watching or listening to my podcast. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kayo. And each time na akala ko walang nakikinig or each time I think na this doesn't make sense, there were people who were DMing me or like reaching out to me, letting me know that I'm making their day a little bit brighter. And they were like, what you say is making sense. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nakakarating tong podcast na to, pero with hearing people tell me na, you know what, I agree with what you say, or I listen to your podcast to fall asleep, ganyan. I really appreciate all of you, best. And from the entire Anik-Anik podcast team mo, entire Anik-Anik podcast team, tatlo lang kami. Kylie, Jashi, and me. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays sa mga friends natin na hindi Catholic. And may you guys have a very fruitful and masaganang New Year. And sana makulong na ang lahat ng corrupt. And this has been Anik-Anik Podcast. See you next year.